In this tutorial, I'll show you how to render a simple Metaballs image to create this ninja dog character with Stable Diffusion. I have created a 512 by 512 scene, and I'm using Eevee without composite nodes nor denoise. Let's create a metaball and press Shift D to duplicate. Type S and Z to scale on the Z axis. I'll share the full prompt and other details in the description below. Let's use a ControlNet's depth feature to create a depth map from our Metaballs image like this. Please copy and paste the prompts and change them any way you like. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.